Hello, today I'm going to introduce double ratio and endpoint on RC8X, in which you can assign a switch to control the travel of each channel. When you gently move the wheel or trigger, but there is a big travel of the servos, you can set double ratio or endpoint. The functions which are friendly to beginners. Let's talk about double ratio first. Enter the basic menu. Double ratio. There is ratio switch, which means you can assign a switch to control it. If it is null, the travel of each channel will keep the current values, and I select PS3. The switch here. The value defaults to 100%, and it can be set from 0, the minimum travel, to 100%, the normal travel. I'll take channel 1 and channel 2 as an example. I'll reduce the travel of channel 1 and channel 2 to 50%. Now the setting is done. Let's have a check. Press PS3, the normal travel 100%, and press PS3 again 50%, the small travel. And let's return to the home page. Can move the wheel or trigger 100%. And now let's press PS3 again. Turn the wheel and the trigger, you can see it is 50% travel. We can also set endpoint to adjust the travel of each channel. Basic menu. Endpoint. What's the difference of endpoint and double ratio? For double ratio, there is only one value for each channel, so the travel on both sides of each channel will be adjusted simultaneously, and the travel can only be reduced. For endpoint, there are two values, left and right, for each channel, so the left and right sides of each channel can be adjusted independently, and the travel can be increased or reduced. There is also endpoint switch, which means you can assign a switch to control it. If it is null, the travel of each channel will keep the current values, and I select PS1. The switch under the wheel, PS1. You can set a different travel for both sides of the channel. The channel defaults to 100. So take channel 1 as an example. I set the left side 50. But I set the right side 70. Press PS1.
Steering range
100, the normal travel, and press PS1 again.
Steering range 0.
50 for the left and 70 for the right. Return to the home page. Move the wheel. 100, the normal travel, and press PS1.
Steering range 0.
It is 50 for the left and 70 for the right for channel 1. So let's see the introduction of double ratio and endpoint of RC8X. You can adjust the travel according to your needs.